Lunog. Sir? Man, that was welcome to the vlog. It's me and Dusty's annual trip to Blue Knob, and he's gonna grip it and rip it going down this steep cliff. How about it, bub?
Let's see what we do here.
Oh man, I don't know if you guys can see this. It's like straight down. Do it! Yeah, boy! Here he comes. This dude is cooking, man.
Look at that!
Dude, that was awesome. What's up, buddy?
Another good day at Blue Knob.
So we've been doing this tradition how long now, man? About 4 or 5 years now? Coming up just one day a year?
At least, yep.
Oh, it's always a good
Check
time,
out the
man.
porcupine in the tree, dude.
Are you serious right now?
Look right there, dude. Yeah, he's up there eating the tree. Check him out.
That's a porcupine.
What the heck? Are you serious? You never know what you're going to find here. How about it?
That was awesome. Oh yeah! That was awesome.
This is out in the lookout. Hey, that's porcupine.
Hey, let's just climb a tree and start chewing on a branch.
When you're hungry, man. You know, nature hike.
Oh, that's awesome. We're gonna get you jumping some serious jumps in, getting some sick air, and
let the fun, see what we can find.
let's flash back a couple years ago, dude. This guy was the man.
Oh.
Oh, that was
That
great.
was a flashback, like you said.
It's beautiful.
Wonder Wonderland.
Wow.
All this our backyard.
Yeah, what's awesome?
Behind
I mean,
you
it's
now.
look at that. Unbelievable beauty up here. And I'm not talking about me.
Yeah, you're talking about me.
So every time we come up here, man, it's just like,
We know when to pick it.
yeah, we have the whole mountain to ourselves. It's pretty cool, man, for sure. Definitely highly recommend this place. It's cheap. Dirt cheap. Liftopia, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. Unless you're like this guy and you get season passes. Dusty's gonna do a 360 here.
Yeah.
Or are you gonna try 720 today?
That's it.
720 with his new skis?
Stay on our feet.
This guy is all geared up, man. He's got brand new skis, heated boots. Here he comes. Oh! Almost, buddy, almost. Here he comes. Here he comes. He's zipping. You jumped on it, boy! Yeah! Alright, so our 41 juvenile butts are gonna do something crazy here. Well, actually, just one of us. Go down through the trees and hit that jump right there. Here he goes! Part of the 40 club now, right?
Oh,
Are you 40?
41, baby. Heading on the big 14.
We're literally up over the hill, and
apart.
we're skiing down the hill. We're going down the hill, and he's gonna hit it, baby. He's going guns blazing.
Yep,
Stay tuned.
Yeah, stay tuned.
All right, Dusty's at the top of 66 here, and he's going to hit this jump and do something sick. I put my pole right there to indicate where the GoPro's at. Here he comes. Here he goes, boys. Oh.
I believe I can fly.
Yeah! Oh man, that was awesome. Woo, that's it, bird, baby. Luna.